prime your eyes like so. So I'm going to cut in to say that the entire crease color / cut crease portion of this tutorial did not get filmed. It got cut out, but you guys have seen me do it plenty of times before. So here it is. I'm using the AS Cosmetics 24 karat gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm using Splurge and All Natural for those crease colors and blending. Using the same palette and spraying a flat dense brush with Max Fix Plus spray, I'm using the color Self-Made as a glittery neutral lid color. Some glitter crept up into the crease color, so I'm going back in with Splurge and darkening up that crease. Next, taking a rounded pencil brush, I am using the color Splurge on the outer corners to kind of make a outer V for more dimension. I'm also going to be sweeping this color under my lower lash line just for a darker feel and to also kind of have the false lower lashes blend in nicely in the future. I'm now going to smoke that or soften that out with a fluffy brush. I'm using the color Filthy as my brow bone highlight, and I am applying that with a fluffy brush. Next, for a sparkling inner highlight, I'm using the d.i.a liquid glitter eyeshadow in the color Gold Goddess, and I'm going to be applying that, spreading that out, and then applying again and spreading it out just to gradually get the glitter gradiented like I want it. Y'all know the drill. We are entering eyeliner hell with some Dollywink black liquid liner, and I'm just going to fill in the upper portion of my eye. To further elongate your eye, what you're going to do is you're going to bring that liquid liner downward and outward past your eyelid, and then for the inner corner you're going to do the same and kind of give it a like notch. I don't know what to call it, but it's like a notch to like kind of define that corner. You'll see what I mean when you see me do it. Also, to give that smoky eyeshadow a gradient, I'm connecting the upper liner with some lower liner as well. I'm also going to pop some Dollywink black pencil liner into the waterline. Next, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, I'm going to be doing my nose contour. To even out the nose contour, I'm going to take some NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Chantilly and just place that on my nose bridge. To further highlight the nose bridge area, I'm taking some ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a white shade, and I'm just going to blend that out. Your girl's gonna give herself some cheekbones and a jawline, so I'm going in with the shade Rich Amber again, and just doing that with a flat brush. To give my face some color, I'm using the Etude House Cookie Blusher in Pink Brownie, and I'm taking just a little amount on a blush brush and placing that on the apples of my cheeks and just slowly building up the color. For a highlighting base, I'm using the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost Highlighter in Canary Bling, and I'm going to place that on my cheekbones, on my chin, and I think on my nose bridge as well. So I thought I'd add a helpful hint that the trick to using this product is to tap it on your face and not wipe it, otherwise you're going to take off your foundation. Using a second powder highlight, I'm going in with the color Butterscotch from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and just going over where I placed that Jeffree Star liquid highlighter. I'm also defining points of my face with the same highlighter, just using my finger instead. I'm using the shade Filthy from the 24 Karat Gold palette as a third highlight because I just want to be seen from a mile away. I added so much highlight that I had to reapply blush again, and as you see, it went kind of overkill. I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with some Kiss Me Heroin Make Mascara in the long formula. My first set of top lashes are going to be the Glamorous Eye from Diamond Lash. Oh my gosh, we're stacking lashes for the first time on this channel. But for my second set of top lashes, I am using the Junk Amore Eye-Mazing eyelashes in style number 4. I don't know if you guys could tell, but this was a fucking task. I don't layer lashes very often because one, my lashes are too expensive, and two, it's just hard to get them around the first set. Do you see that this bitch has to use 2 hands to do this shit? My god. I'm using those bottom lashes that everybody and their mom asks me about that I don't ever know how to quite explain, but they're from eBay. They look like the diamond lash packaging, but they're not. But yeah, that's what I'm using for this. I'm using a combination of Naked and Pure Hollywood from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick line for the lip color. Lately, I've been experimenting with lip gloss again, and here I'm using the AS Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Sugar for this look on a lip brush because I didn't want to mess up my lip gloss wand. And with that, this look is complete. I apologize for the tutorial being slightly botched, but hopefully this is still helpful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, guys.